adversities comes into our way, we definitely we have overcome to that. And it is said in Hindi, इत्तर से कपड़ों को महकाना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं। इत्तर से कपड़ों को महकाना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं। मजा तो तब है खुशबू आपके किरदार से है। So really we expect exactly that if we focus on the prime objective of this event, grand event, as we said, the National Integration Camp, really to uplift all the volunteers and also to all those who come from across the India, to uplift their consigns up to the National Integration Camp. Just one example, yesterday we have participated in the Shibira Jyoti program. Generally, there is a tradition in NSS camp. At the last day, all came together and there is a campfire. Okay, and all the students from the different universities and colleges, they played their instruments and they sing a song and they enjoy it. But apart from that, this is a unique and innovative way to calmly, with a peace, to learn the values. Really, it was a wonderful experience, and definitely, sir, I quoted all the events. Even we got the photos, though it was not allowed, all the photos and videos, because for one purpose only. We will percolate that in our state, and you will be conveyed to our university. In future, such wonderful events for the things for the value we will conduct. And about the hospitality, I will say one thing. So day before we came here early, we the team who came first year, and all the team actually I made to all the seniors. Honorable sir were there, Honorable Suresh sir were there. They asked us. Then I made to Mahesh sir, then my friend Bahubali sir, then Lingaraja sir, Sitappa sir. These all four people and Honorable sir, all people very modestly, they ask the issues, they discuss it, they solve the problems, and after all in Marathi we said that Jacha Gari Lagna Astar, means those who organizes the marriage, they knew that what exactly the issues they are facing. So according to that, really some differences may be in the culture and food issues, but it's okay. Apart from that, at last moment we are here. And about the volunteers, the team, in Marathi we celebrate on Krishna Janmashtami Dahi Handi. Dahi Handi means there are the human layers and the Govinda reaches to the top and he cracks that handi. But my dear friends, I will tell you, it is a best example of team leading. It is a best example of team leading, and in this team leading, which part is important, do you know? The layer exactly which is ending at the bottom. If a single person from the chain, all the layers falls down. So the important layer, the volunteers, I would say, Tanushree, Pandit ji, where is Pandit ji? Oh yes, Pandit ji, and sorry, forgot your name. Yes, and then Divyashri. See, these people very modestly, sir, without any argument. Though the team from the different culture and languages in their different moods, they understood them and they solved the issues. And all my four friends, I already mentioned. And before that, I would say it is an outcome. It is an outcome of this leadership, I would say. And man, see, ऐसे नहीं होता है कि हम age से बूढ़े होते हैं. Not at all. We get age old through our thoughts. But see, these people are young people at this because they thought that our values should percolate in each and every volunteer, and they have to get the good things. I salute this honorable team because nowadays our icons are very different, and we are very finding difficulties in real life and real life. So friends, this is real life, and after the camp I knew that you will do what the real. Okay, but the point is that come to the real, understand in 7 days we learn many things. Sir, from Maharashtra we brought the plants. Actually, the concept was the soil of Maharashtra we brought here, the plant of Maharashtra we brought here, and the soil of Maharashtra and plant with the auspicious hands of all these scholars we have planted, and now the soil of Maharashtra is in the soil of Karnataka. It is an, what I mean to say, it is an integration really, and whenever in future, sir, when you will see at least once that trees, so please keep in mind our names. So please remember myself, Bahubali sir, Lingaraja sir, and then all. Okay, so friends, definitely we're gonna miss you. And after all, yeah, all you boys, you all, not at all. So I'm coming to that point now. Yeah.
Yes.
So if you read a word, if you read a word, you are. If you make it vice versa, it is a Vayu. You are Vayu. It is very difficult to control the Vayu, and it is also very difficult to control the you are. But in this camp, not a single complaint of harassment, not a single complaint of any other things, and that is the success of the camp. But sir, it is my kind request in future, at least for the cultural events, it is a kind suggestion. So we need a little bit space and a good sound system, and at least the stage, because when someone prepares up to the night with the pressure, and when that person came here, so we need to give support and everything to him or her. We are not for the, at least the trophy is not for the medals, but sir, we are here for what? The values, and to encourage these tiny thoughts, we need to bring the smile on their face. So please sir, consider this request if it is possible in next camp. Now I will come to you all. My dear friends, I'll say one share for you all. If just sir, please, last minute. Okay, the time we are running, I am running out of time. मौजूद को ताज बनाते हैं, you all. मौजूद को ताज बनाते हैं, ताज को मुमताज बनाते हैं.
वाह.
रुको जरा.
सबर करो.
मौजूद को ताज बनाते हैं, ताज को मुमताज बनाते हैं. हमारे आज के युवा ही ऐसी बला है. हमारे आज के युवा ही ऐसी बला है जो सन्नाटे को भी आगाज बनाते हैं, सन्नाटे को भी आगाज बनाते हैं. Without your active participation, dialogue, performance, it would have been not the clear picture. Now the picture clears, and all the performances, all the dialogues, program comparing, flag hosting, and the teamwork really was excellent due to the coordination and all the captain and vice captain running, rushing at 5. So please come, and then pressure of their boss, and then their pressure of boss, and instruction, and it's okay, it is a system. Sir, one my volunteer conveyed me the message that, sir, really we know that how to bear a pressure. At home, how to bear a pressure. It means that it is also a test of our tolerance capacity. Nowadays, if someone says someone to, hey, what you are doing? Hey, you, what you are doing? So, my dear friends, so we learn to receive orders, and it is said, if you want to be a good commander, so before that you have to be a good soldier. Now, all the soldiers, I hope that you, all the soldiers, would be a good commander in your college, and with boldness, you can say that, just calm down, I'll tell you that how to do, because I am an NIC student. Here you are very lucky after the 2 years break, I would say. It's a break of nature. You are here, this is the first camp, really we enjoy, and at the outcome of this, the leaders like Uma and all learn a lot. So I hope that definitely you will percolate the meaning and outcome of this NIC camp to your colleges, your universities. So friends, if my words feels you bad, so I say sorry here, and now I stop. Sir, thank you very much for your chance. Thank you. you.